I told you men I was gonna quit and you tried to get rid of me? Oi mate! I'm pegging that man at the back of the bus. Feeling like 3-6 Mafia, I'm gonna fill up his nose with dust. That's on period. I'm in the back of the car with your daddy, and he's twerking and popping a perk. I got him bending his bum like Spice in the back of the van while they stop and search. These men wanna act like a beast, so I put these men in a cage. I made a call now 2 days later, my niggas are busting all over his face.
Ceechyna, please have mercy, I ain't get paid till the end of the week.
I don't give a fuck, shut the fuck up. Get on your knees and grease my feet. Get on your knees and grease my feet. Shut the fuck up. Get on your knees and grease my feet.